Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to use the Google Passkeys, a faster and safer way to sign in without typing passwords. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com and log into your Google account if you haven't already. Then on the left menu, tap Security and scroll down to the section called How You Sign into Google and select Passkeys. And here you can see the options to create a passkey. Tap it and Google will guide you through the setup depending on your device. You can use your phone's fingerprint or face unlock or use laptop's PIN or biometric scanner or use security key device if you have one. And once you confirm, your passkey is saved to your device or your Google Password Manager. Now, next time you do log in, instead of typing your password, just confirm with your fingerprint, face scan, or device PIN. Super quick and secure. And that's how you set up and use Google Passkey. No more remembering your long password. Just tap or scan it to open it. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.